How to delete a Google account permanently from all devices. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete a Google account permanently from all devices. First, go to your Google. Here, click on your profile from top right. Here you'll find the option of Google account. Click to open it. From the dashboard, select Security. On scrolling down, you'll find the option of Manage all devices. Tap on it. Here you'll find all the devices where your account is logged in. Tap on any of them to see its details. You can see the details of other devices in the same way. After that, go back and open Data and Privacy. Scroll down until you see the option of Delete your Google account. Tap to open it. Here you need to enter your password. Then tap on Next. Scroll down and select these options. By tapping on Delete Account, your Google account will be permanently deleted from all devices. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.